In the beginning there was trade, and with trade came the need for accounting. A necessity born from the simple act of exchanging goods, accounting sprouted its roots deep in the fertile soil of human civilization. Our journey begins in the ancient world, where the earliest known signs of accounting can be traced back to the cradle of civilization itself, Mesopotamia. Picture a bustling marketplace full of traders bartering goods. But how were these transactions recorded? Enter accounting, the unsung hero of ancient commerce. Using clay tokens as a form of record-keeping, individuals could keep track of sheep, grain, and other commodities. This primitive form of accounting paved the way for more complex systems that would come later. From Mesopotamia, we venture to the land of the pharaohs. In ancient Egypt, accounting was used to keep track of the immense wealth accumulated in granaries and treasuries. Imagine scribes diligently noting down the inflow and outflow of precious resources, their work essentially forming the backbone of the Egyptian economy. Our next stop is Greece, where the concept of money first emerged. This development brought about a new need for accounting as a means of managing and recording transactions. The Greeks, being the innovators they were, took to this task with gusto, using their advanced writing systems to keep meticulous records. Finally, we arrive in Rome, a civilization known for its administrative prowess. Here, accounting was not merely a tool for trade, but a critical part of governance and administration. Roman officials used it to manage public funds, record taxes, and keep track of military provisions. The Roman bureaucracy was, in many ways, a testament to the power of accounting. And so, from the bustling markets of Mesopotamia to the grand treasuries of Egypt, the trading hubs of Greece, and the administrative offices of Rome, accounting played a pivotal role in the functioning of these ancient societies. The clay tokens and early writing systems of yesteryears may seem rudimentary to us now, but they formed the bedrock upon which modern accounting stands. Thus, the seeds of accounting were sown, ready to grow and evolve with human civilization. As we step into the Middle Ages, a man named Luca Pacioli stands at the forefront of accounting history. This Italian mathematician, often dubbed the father of accounting, brought forth revolutionary ideas that still echo in the halls of modern-day accounting. Born in the bustling era of the Renaissance, Pacioli was a man of many talents, yet his most significant contribution lay in the realm of numbers. His pivotal work, Summa de Arithmetica, Geometria, Proporzioni et Proporzionalità, published in 1494, introduced the world to a novel concept, the double-entry bookkeeping system. Now you might wonder, what's so special about this system? Well, the double-entry bookkeeping system was like a breath of fresh air in the stagnant world of accounting. It was a system that relied on a simple yet effective principle. For every debit, there must be an equivalent credit. It was an equation that brought about balance, a sense of harmony in the financial world. This system, as simple as it may sound, was a game changer. It allowed businesses to keep track of their assets and liabilities with absolute precision. It provided a clear, concise, and accurate picture of a company's financial health. It was a tool that helped businesses thrive in an era of rapid economic growth. But Pacioli's influence didn't stop there. His Summa wasn't just a math book. It was a comprehensive guide to running a successful business. It covered everything from barter trade to currency exchange, from investments to managing partnerships. It was a testament to Pacioli's deep understanding of the intricate relationship between numbers and commerce. Pacioli's genius was in his ability to combine the theoretical with the practical. He didn't just introduce a new system, he showed the world how to use it, how to leverage it to their advantage. And in doing so, he transformed the landscape of accounting forever. Pacioli's contributions laid the groundwork for modern accounting, setting the stage for further advancements. His legacy, the double-entry bookkeeping system, continues to be the backbone of accounting, a testament to the enduring impact of a man from the Middle Ages. Fast forward to the Industrial Revolution, a time of rapid growth and change where accounting took a leap forward. This era, spanning from the late 18th to mid-19th century, transformed economies from agrarian to industrial, from rural to urban. As factories sprouted up and businesses expanded, the need for more sophisticated accounting methods became apparent. The simplicity of single-entry bookkeeping no longer sufficed in this new world of industrial production and complex commercial transactions. It was time for double-entry bookkeeping, a system which recorded both credits and debits, to take center stage. This method, as we've previously discussed, was championed by Luca Pacioli in the 15th century. But it was during the Industrial Revolution that it became the standard, providing a clear, complete picture of a business's financial health. The Industrial Revolution also saw the birth of cost accounting. This was a direct response to the manufacturing sector's need to understand the cost of production. Cost accounting helped businesses to price products competitively while ensuring profitability. It was a game changer, enabling industrialists to maximize efficiency and manage resources more effectively. Now, let's not forget about the establishment of the first professional accounting bodies in the late 19th century. In Britain, the Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales was formed in 1880. Across the pond in the United States, the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants was founded a few years later in 1887. These institutions sought to standardize accounting practices, uphold ethical standards, and foster professionalism in the field. In essence, the Industrial Revolution was a catalyst that transformed accounting from a rudimentary system of record-keeping into a critical tool for business management. It compelled the field to evolve, to adapt, and to innovate. And that spirit of innovation continues to drive accounting today. The Industrial Revolution, a catalyst for change, propelled accounting into the modern era. As we cross into the 20th century, accounting continues to evolve, adapting to the needs of a rapidly changing world. During the early parts of the 20th century, accounting was still largely a manual process. It was labor-intensive, time-consuming, and prone to human error. But then, along came the computer. This technological marvel revolutionized not just the world of accounting, but every facet of human life. Suddenly, calculations that would have taken days could be completed in a matter of seconds. Data storage and retrieval became incredibly efficient. The advent of computer technology marked a significant advancement in the field of accounting, changing the profession forever. The 20th century also saw the development of accounting standards and regulations. Prior to this, accounting practices varied widely across regions and even individual companies. This lack of standardization made it difficult for investors and regulators to accurately assess a company's financial health. To address this issue, the Financial Accounting Standards Board, or FASB, was established in the United States in 1973. The FASB's mission was to develop a set of universally accepted accounting principles known as Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, or GAAP. These principles aim to ensure consistency and transparency in financial reporting. Across the pond, the International Accounting Standards Board, or IASB, was established in 2001 to develop a similar set of global standards known as the International Financial Reporting Standards, or IFRS. These standards have been adopted by over 140 countries, further unifying global accounting practices. The 20th century also witnessed the enactment of several significant regulations, such as the Securities Act of 1933 and the Sarbanes-Oxley Act of 2002 in the U.S. These laws were designed to protect investors by requiring companies to provide full and accurate financial information. The 20th century, a time of innovation and regulation, brought us to the brink of contemporary accounting. Now let us step into the present day, where accounting is no longer just about numbers, but also about strategy and foresight. In this fast-paced digital age, the role of accounting has evolved significantly. It's become more than just the calculation of debits and credits, or the preparation of financial statements. Today, accountants serve as strategic partners in businesses, helping to navigate through financial complexities and providing insightful advice to steer organizations towards their goals. One of the key shifts in contemporary accounting is the embrace of technology. Accounting software and cloud-based platforms have become the norm, enabling accountants to automate routine tasks, improve accuracy, and focus on higher-level analysis. These digital tools have made it possible for accountants to manage vast quantities of financial data and turn them into meaningful insights, improving decision-making and strategic planning. The digital age has also brought about the rise of big data and analytics in accounting. By harnessing the power of these technologies, accountants can now predict trends, identify risks, and offer solutions that can significantly impact a company's bottom line. They've become indispensable in a world where data is king. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The importance of ethical accounting practices cannot be overstated. As the guardians of financial integrity, accountants bear the responsibility of ensuring transparency, honesty, and compliance. Ethical lapses can lead to scandals that can topple even the most robust of corporations. Moreover, the rise of cyber threats has made security a top priority in the accounting sector. Accountants are at the forefront of protecting sensitive financial data, making them crucial players in the battle against cybercrime. Indeed, contemporary accounting is a dynamic field, constantly adapting to the changing business landscape. It's a field that demands not just technical expertise, but also strategic thinking, ethical judgment, and a commitment to lifelong learning. Accounting today is a dynamic and vital field, deeply woven into the fabric of our global economy. As we look to the future, we see a world where accounting continues to evolve, embracing new technologies and challenges. The future of accounting is marked by a significant shift towards the digital realm. The rise of artificial intelligence, or AI, is set to revolutionize the way we understand and practice accounting. With the ability to analyze and interpret vast amounts of data in seconds, AI is poised to take over routine tasks, freeing up time for accountants to focus on strategic decision-making and advisory roles. But it's not just about the machines. The human element remains crucial. As AI takes on more of the grunt work, the role of the accountant is set to evolve. Accountants of the future will need to be tech-savvy, yes, but they'll also need to be strategic thinkers, able to interpret and communicate the insights gleaned from the data in a way that adds value to the businesses they serve. Data analytics is another key player in the future of accounting. With the ability to turn raw data into meaningful insights, data analytics can help businesses make informed decisions, identify trends, and predict future outcomes. This means that accountants will need to become proficient in using data analytics tools and in interpreting the results they produce. At the same time, the ethical implications of these advancements can't be ignored. As we increasingly rely on AI and data analytics, questions about data privacy, security, and the potential for bias in AI algorithms become more pressing. Accountants, as trusted advisors, will have a vital role to play in navigating these ethical waters. The future of accounting is also likely to see a shift towards more sustainable practices. As businesses around the world grapple with the impacts of climate change, accountants will be called upon to help them measure and report on their environmental impact, and to develop strategies for sustainable growth. As we stand on the cusp of this exciting future, we remember the rich history of accounting and look forward to the innovations yet to come. From ancient civilizations to the digital age, accounting has come a long way. This journey, as we've seen, started at the dawn of civilization. Early humans, through simple tally marks on walls, laid the foundation of accounting, making it one of the oldest professions in the world. As we moved into the Middle Ages, the Italian mathematician Luca Pacioli revolutionized the field with his introduction of double-entry bookkeeping. This system, a true testament to Pacioli's genius, is still in use today over 5 centuries later. The Industrial Revolution brought about significant changes in the field of accounting. The rise of corporations and the complexity of business transactions necessitated the development of modern accounting. This period saw the birth of standardized accounting practices and the establishment of professional accounting bodies. The 20th century brought further advancements. As economies grew and business practices evolved, accounting kept pace. The introduction of computer technology marked a significant turning point, allowing for more complex calculations and more efficient record-keeping. In our contemporary era, accounting has become a crucial part of our daily lives. From the personal finances of individuals to the multi-billion-dollar budgets of corporations and governments, accounting is essential for financial transparency and accountability. As we look towards the future, we can see that accounting will continue to evolve. The rise of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology promises to revolutionize the field once again, offering exciting opportunities and challenges. And so we close the ledger on our journey through the history of accounting, a field as old as civilization itself, yet as modern as the technology we use today. The story of accounting is a story of continuous evolution, mirroring the growth and development of society. It's a testament to the human capacity for innovation and our relentless pursuit of efficiency and accuracy. It's a story that's far from over, and one that we will continue to write in the years to come.